Welcome to Data Analytics. Objective of this course is to introduce you the foundations of data analytics. In this course, we will see descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, and predictive analytics. In first unit, we will discuss basic statistical concepts such as descriptive statistics, concept of random variables, discrete and continuous random variables, and the probability distributions, probability density function, cumulative distribution function, and probability mass function. Continuous distributions such as normal distribution, student t distribution, chi-square distribution, and f distributions. In second and third units, we will discuss concepts related to diagnostic analytics, confidence intervals, hypothesis testing, and analysis of variance. In fourth unit, we will discuss correlation and some predictive analytics concepts such as simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, and logistic regression. In fifth unit, we will see some case studies with Python, problems related to data visualization, hypothesis testing, and ANOVA, classification and regression.